Alright, this video is of my waste oil heater. I've got two different ways I can run it. Right, I can normally start it out running oil and I shoot air to it. I bring in air from this compressor. It's actually a vacuum compressor, and I hook the hose to it for pressure. If you got a vacuum, you've got pressure coming out somewhere. It goes around to a tank, and I put air in on this side. I put oil in on this side. I don't know if you can see it, but here's my control valve. This controls my flow. Overall, I have 3 valves total. I've got one right here. If I ever have a plug, I can close this valve off right here and put air in right there, and I can blow oil or blow air through there to open it up. This is my trap. This is my tank, of course. So I ran it until it plugged up, and I'll show you inside here once I get a pair of pliers. So if any of you are familiar with a fuel oil stove, this is where the carburetor used to be at. I don't know if you can even see anything or not in there, but the oil drops in at the top right there. And if I can get a picture of it, air comes up and around. The oil tees in from the back. It works really well. The only problem is the pipes plug up. And I keep 3 of them. Whenever I start it up to first get it going, I put air in through here until these little pipes plug up. And they only plug up in the middle or at the very end from the heat. And the idea is, these pipes are angled. The back here is lower, the back, so you've got oil all the way in here. It goes up and then it drops in the center. To show how hot this thing is, it's over 800 degrees. But when it gets up to 800, it's past the limit of my meter. This is the pipe. It's at 400 degrees almost. She's putting off some good heat right now. Don't know what this thing does. There was no name on the stove when I bought it, but I could see. My grandpa gave this to me whenever he cleaned up his house for a sale. But here's the original carburetor off of it. Well, I don't know if you can make that out or not. I think it says DL or something like that. Detroit Lubricator Company. For some reason the camera's getting terrible pixels right now. Sometimes it gets real good resolution and sometimes not. But anyways, there it is. It's a big old carburetor. I played with this first for a while and it didn't work too good, so it was expensive, so I went to oil. Anyway, that's it. So it's just kind of a weird shaped fuel oil stove, almost like a giant mailbox. So I got it sitting there, and I do have extra air bringing it coming in at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but I got a little vent down there to get in maximum air. Alright, man, that's it.